I think generally it's a feeling of disengagement. Like something here isn't quite right, or I'm not as invested. I don't care as much about this anymore. You could also, your health could be suffering, your personal relationships could be suffering. You might be feeling drained at the end of the day or dreading going to work. I think most people have that feeling like from a deeper part of ourselves that something isn't right here, but then we ignore it. Right? We're like, no, I don't want to deal with changing careers. It's scary. I don't know where to start. I don't know what I'd want to do. And so we push it aside. In general, if you've Googled this question and you're watching this video, probably it's time to change careers. I mean, the other thing that you could try to do, if you haven't already, is to be bold about trying to make changes, start new projects, get transferred to a new team at your current job. Ask yourself, what is it that isn't fulfilling anymore? What feels off or out of alignment with who I am? And then work to try to change those areas. So like, for example, if you hate your boss or you're in a more of a toxic culture within your team, ask to be transferred to a new team. Or if you're not passionate about it anymore, start a new project that you're more passionate about. See if that is possible and if that makes a difference. If so, great, stay. Most likely though, it's time for a bigger change.